In this video, I am going to share 4 overnight beauty tips to get that flawless out of the bed look. Overnight skincare regime is one thing every woman should swear by. After all, nothing is more precious than waking up to a happy and rejuvenated skin every morning. Following some simple health and beauty tips at home before a good night's sleep can be rewarding and cost-saving. Here are the list of 5 simple overnight beauty tips for face and body, and thank us later after watching this video till the end. Before we go ahead with these simple tips, please press the like button and subscribe to our channel for more skincare tips. 1. Cleanse your face. Our face encounters with dust, pollution and harmful UV rays every day in abundance. This leads to wrinkles, acne, blackheads, whiteheads, and a dull and damaged skin. Since face is one of the most sensitive parts of the body, it needs maximum care on a regular basis. Cleansing forms the basis of a face care routine. Cleanse your face every night to remove makeup, dirt and excess oil. It unclogs pores and leaves your skin soft and healthy. Apply a toner and moisturizer thereafter and wake up to a healthy glowing skin in the morning. 2. Keep your skin and body hydrated. Drink a glass full of water before going to bed to keep your body hydrated throughout the night until morning. Keeping your body hydrated while sleeping is a secret therapy to a healthy metabolism and glowing skin. Try this for a few days and notice the difference in your face and body. 3. Sleep on your back. Are you a stomach or side sleeper? You're more likely to get unwanted compression lines, chest creases, and under eye bags while sleeping in this position. To add insult to injury, these lines can become permanent over time. Switch to a position on your back. 4. Wash your pillowcases regularly. Dirty pillowcases can transfer acne-causing bacteria, dirt, and oil onto your skin while you sleep. To keep overnight breakouts at bay, wash your pillowcase every other week at a minimum. While these beauty tips for face and body won't give you a pocket pinch, you will only live a life fit and healthy. If you love this video, please press the like button and make sure to subscribe to the channel and join our YouTube family. See you in my next video.